How to fix WhatsApp not sending videos on iPhone. Trying to send a video on WhatsApp but you're just stuck or fails to send? Here's how to fix that and get your videos shared instantly. WhatsApp has a video size limit, usually 16 MB, for direct sends. Use a video compressor app or trim long videos before sending. A weak and unstable internet connection can block video uploads. Try switching between Wi-Fi and data or move to an area with better signal. Make sure video auto-download is enabled in storage and data settings. Without it, videos may not upload or download properly. On Android, clear WhatsApp's cache. On iPhone, consider reinstalling WhatsApp if the problem persists. But don't forget to back up your chats first. Fix it? Great. Like and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips.